Hello traders, a fixed trader here today, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for PSID, Positive ID Corporation, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So the story I'm seeing here is one of a bounce. As you can see from taking a quick look at the chart, we've recently tested lows, at least for recent time here, at this 0.018 area, which was previously a very important support resistance zone for the stock back in late spring, early summer here. And another thing worth pointing out here is that there has been a gap on this chart that's been needing to get filled here, and it finally got filled. It's been months now that we've been trading above that gap, and it's healthy to see some consolidation that brought it down to fill the gap. And now, as you can see, immediately the day following that gap fill, the stock price started moving back up. So all in all here, it's looking like the foundation of a bounce with that gap fill and the bounce off of the previous support and resistance levels. But we'll look at some other indicators here to see if they confirm that. So taking a quick look up here at the RSI, which is a strength and momentum indicator here, you can see that it had come down and actually tapped into the oversold area and has bounced pretty sharply back up. So the stock was considered oversold. People took note of that and started buying it back up. As you can see, it's sitting at 42.39 here, just below that 50, which is considered the start of the power zone, which is between 50 and 70. So the momentum here is starting to come back. And just to kind of give an idea of how strong of an indication this is, you can look back at previous price action correlation with the RSI indicator, and you can see when this 50 level breaks, there's generally some pretty strong price action following that. And going hand in hand with that. So this is what we want to keep our eyes open for, is that 50 cross on the RSI. So with this recent selling pressure and the consolidation, you can see that the volume had come up to a reasonable level, but the selling has slowed down as the volume has decreased here. And that's a good sign for a bottom, is when that selling pressure slows down and the buying starts back up. As you can see, these lows lasted only a day before the stock price started bouncing back up here. Currently trying to make a move against this 12 EMA. That's another key level to watch here, about that 0.023 area, which has also been a pretty significant just zone in general over the past few months for the stock. So watching for that 0.023 break to really show the momentum shift here as well. And then finally, I wanted to point out the MACD and TRIX momentum indicators. You can see right on the verge of a bullish crossover here, and we're starting to get a curl up here, showing that the momentum is indeed changing from a bearish trend to a more bullish one. The TRIX is slowing down on its decline as well. We're going to watch for a crossover here as well. And that's a quick analysis of the Positive ID Corporation stock chart. We're watching this one for a bottom bounce, and it looks like it's starting to move back up into its trading channel. So we're going to be watching about this 2.2 cent to about just 2.9 cent area for pretty good consistent action, at least based on the history of the stock chart. So that's your main trading channel to watch as we head back up, and there are several smaller ones along the way, like at this 0.022 to 0.025, 0.026 area. It's another key one to watch. So all in all, you've got your key levels to watch, seen that the resistance is held, the selling volume has decreased, and the momentum is looking like it's curling back up. So keep in mind that I'm not a financial professional, and everything I say should be used for entertainment purposes only. Don't base a buy, hold, or sell decision on anything I said. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading.